Well, welcome back today. Something a little different, not a car video. I got that platform, if you watched the short the other day or something. It's like a 4 by 12 foot platform. And I got it to, would have been scrapped anyway, but I got it to get from one side of the barn to the other side of the barn. So now today I'm going to try to get it up here and then figure out how I'm going to mount it afterwards. But I don't want to drop it on my compressor here because I already dropped that out of the truck when I first got it and had to fix a bunch of stuff on it. Well, as you can see, I got a bunch of wires running back here, so I really don't want to rip none of that stuff out. I think I can make it work. I hope I can. Don't worry though, I'm going to do the right thing. I can actually unplug that light right there. I'm just going to not hit the light switch and charge up the system. Oh, there we go. I got it up in place, leveled it off on both sides. I still have the come-alongs on it yet because I'm going to run some supports underneath, obviously, so it doesn't go falling down on me. But Yeah. Yeah. I deem it a success. I mean, it's up there. I bent the one line on the air compressor a little bit, which I just straightened that. That's no biggie. That was the one where I had busted the fitting off anyway. And we didn't knock the Volkswagen down, so that's a plus. And we didn't rip no wires out, so I call that a win in my book. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed watching me act like an idiot up here. And trust me, this is not something new that I did for a video here. Ask anybody that knows me, especially at work, and they'll tell you, no, that idiot does that stuff all the time. There's a will, there's a way. But now I'll be able to actually clean up on the other side without having to just go up this ladder. So that's going to be a plus. But right now, I'm going to go get a drink, wash my hands a little bit, wipe some sweat off, take a 5-minute breather. Then I'll come out and I'll put the sports on and get all the straps and everything else off, and she'll be good to go. So I call that a win. So hey, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share if you want to see more of me just doing my normal routine anyway, at least. So thanks for watching.